Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all and welcome to my YouTube channel.
I hope you all must be fine today and you all must be doing well today. May God bless you all, guys.
So I'm here today to present to you the flood repair about present you the video about emergency flood repair. So first of all, as usual, you have to open Google Chrome and then you must search here emergency flood repair, and after searching that you will have some websites like water damage restoration during flood emergency, 5 immediate steps to handle a water damage emergency, emergency flood service, damage restoration. So in this search panel you should have different websites, different companies who are about emergency flood restoration. So we will open this Canada restoration, or we can open also our USA restoration, like so. Here so we should open emergency flood service water. These 5 immediate steps, we should check 5 steps that we should have to take immediately, and it might be helpful to us. So here we have 5 immediate steps. Act fast to lessen potential long-term water damage. Keep these 5 essential steps in mind as you address a water-related disaster, and you'll be well on your way to getting your property and your life back to normal. So protect yourself and your possessions. This is the first step you should have to take, and you must have to take this step. These are the 5 most important steps to avoid flood damages. So stop the water damage, second step, and then third one is contact your insurance company, and then fourth one is dry things out. So the things which you have, you must have to dry those, and if you have insurance, so you will have to first contact your insurance company. Then fifth one is clean and restore your property. The fifth is more important, that you do not have to leave your property. You just have to do is that you have to clean your property and restore it and use it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.